Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2012 the Ford Explorer. Stock number is T20521A. Let's give you that virtual video walk around and show you this Explorer up close and personal without looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. This vehicle does have a 150-point vehicle inspection that was completed, backup camera, Bluetooth capability, Carfax Clean History Report. And we're going to take you on the interior here and show you the interior condition, which is absolutely maintained, excellent. No rips, no tears, no stains on that leather. Warranty protection for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. We're going to take a look at the sneak peek of the front dash from the rear. Absolutely impeccable, fully loaded. Does have third row seating. Automatic transmission, as you can see. All your controls easily at arm's reach. Super clean, fully loaded. She's not going to last long. For more info on her or any others in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'll see you in person and hopefully earn your business. Make it a great day. Take care.